Greetings, hi people. Newspaper. Newspaper comes with demo themes and it comes with cloud. I've been running demo theme, which is that one there, but I want to move on to something really different and outrageous because I'll be my website will be will be magazine style with more magazine articles, and I preparing for that. I found some sources to get the stories from. So to get started, the first thing we need to do. Now, there's two things you can do. You can actually download a plugin, say under maintenance, which I probably don't recommend, and I won't show you to do it. You've probably seen it anyhow. Settings, there it is. Okay, settings. Oh God. Well, let's hope that we don't keep going. So go into your settings and see how we got a static page for as home. Click on your latest post there, and probably just change that down to 10 because it'll just a bit, the articles were just a bit too big, but that's what we do. So once we've done that, we go back into our theme panel. So this is for people who already have, I just get people in the know. This article is people who want to connect cloud up, and that's newspaper cloud, where the themes are a bit different, and as you can see, they're called pro themes. Can't be you can't upload them unless you got the cloud. And then you got other ones where, see, it doesn't have pro next to it, and you can just put those in. So first of all, you need to have all these green. And if you haven't got them all green, you got the wrong hosting. So if, well, you can't change your hosting straight away, but once it runs out, highly recommend go to SiteGround, because SiteGround, if you buy it in any country, the price is what is on the front of the box. Not like other hosting, you pay the money and then you find out when it goes through it's double because it was in US currency, or vice versa. So most of the hosting companies, I've had trouble with the last two about this, because at one stage I didn't want to pay a whole year, and because the currency exchange was just shocking. Anyhow, so I recommend SiteGround, and I'll tell you why also. They got built-in catch. where you don't have to download it. So, can we go back to that? If you look at, see just there, catching plugin, it says yellow, no catching plugin detected. Well, that's right, there isn't any catching plugin because it's built in. And that's what we want. We don't want less plugin newspaper. And so what you need is, so you should have that already activated, TagDiv Composer. Newsletter, no. Official AMP, no. TagDiv Mobile, it's up to you. Up to you on the AMP too. No, thanks. And the TagDiv Standard pack. Visual Composer, well, that was the start of that. Come out when they first started with, and that cost, I had to pay for that too, and now we just can't even use it. It was extra $40, I think, to be able to use newspaper when it first came out, and then they faded it out and built it all into the TagDiv Composer. Okay, so install the social counters. Okay, hit install. And install whoops, return to TagDiv plugin. Getting too far ahead of myself. And I'll install that too. I didn't realise it says activate too. I forgot about that. We'll just let those do what they've got to do. And return to TagDiv plugin. So we're on our way. Activate TagDiv Cloud. So TagDiv Cloud is activated now. Which is here. Cloud templates. So we go here, add new. Oh no, here they come. I should have 5G going into this already through my cable. I don't have 5G on Wi-Fi because I don't want to get fried. Okay, I'm looking for home pages. Live preview, guess look at this. Gossip. Interesting. Nice, not bad. It's nice. Just alright, we found it. Let's create a page. That's the one I'm sticking with. Click on create page. It's doing it as I speak. if you haven't got articles, well, it's gonna be a pain in the butt for you because you got to fill up all the holes. Now, mine's got articles. Well, that shouldn't be there. Treating. Now, let's see if that didn't have treated on it, so let's get rid of treating. I want that gossip thing. That's what I wanted. Let's get rid of that. Newspaper header. Interesting. I don't know if I've got any ads for header at the moment in there. What's that? An empty column. What's the manager for? Oh, here it is. Import header. It's a piece of shit. Oh, come on, man. Get your act together. Right, so we've got our page has got our new theme on it. Now, of course, my page, well, I got plenty of articles, and it's automatically fallen into place, kind of. But I'll just show you how that all worked. Now, I must admit, there was an error that I had to cut the video I was doing for this, because the save button there was a problem. Now, I've had this problem before. In fact, many times. It is a problem. It won't save. So after you've hit save, you wait a couple of minutes. If it still hasn't saved, just close it and just see what it has saved, and then go back in. And if you miss anything wrong, just go back in and just do one thing at a time. Like, see this one here? See how it's got President Trump? I typed that in, just to make it quicker, video, and I'll show you what you can do. And so my category was Trump. So I got a lot of categories there, so I could have made it anything. So there's Trump. That one there, that's shop, that should be shop. So we'll look for shop and click on there. Now we need to save that. Nothing come up for shop. Interesting. Well, we can't have it as shop. Not sure why that didn't have. See, and success just come out. So if you get that green success, you know you're doing well. Well, I don't know why shop didn't work, because I do have posts on there, but maybe not a good thing to. I'll put shop somewhere else. What else have I got? Let me think. I got that there. I've got Australia Gov, Senate there. I'll show you. I need to show you all these because these are all separate. All these ones here, all different categories, and I'm just trying to think what to put there. Climate change. I'll put climate change there. Okay. Okay. So we've got to go back here and get rid of shop and put climate. Climate will do. Save it. So just every time you do something, just keep on saving it. And there we go again. Save, save. Come on. Okay. And that pops out. Okay, putting, yeah, that'll do. It's a sidebar ad there. And with these, this sidebar ad, you can actually put a code there. Say if you're doing affiliate marketing, you can actually put the code there. But, or you can put the sidebar ad, which is from inside the theme. Well, maybe I need to show you that too. So just go to there, go to the theme panel, there, and your ads go there in this section here. So sidebar, put your code in, say AdSense or whatever. Now, with your header, you have to change. So this is what it used to look like. Now, as a new thing, you need to change that bit there, and that all changes. And that the logo doesn't show up unless you want it to. But I like the new theme. We need to also go back down to settings, into reading, and why is it 200 pages? Oh, okay, that's a mistake. Okay, well, homepage gossip. I'll just post, put that back up to 12. Just let me check. Hold on. Can it take 12 or no, we've done that. Okay, this section here, just here, they run in line through down like that. Not sure what they are. That hasn't saved, so we either can get rid of the most popular and make 3 lines. Like have just 3 lines, and so click on that and hit 3. Give you 3 there. See how another one's added, but we haven't given it a title. Oh, a section. So we got, what we got? Senate, Australian government. See, other ones I've got. New South Wales, Queensland, Victoria. So they're all okay. Queensland, New South Wales, and Victoria. As you can see, I've changed each one there. There. New South Wales there. And they spin. You get 5. They get 5 spins. Or you can add more. Okay. Let's pee this off. This is just annoying. Somebody they just feel it's in the way. That's in the way. Get rid of it. I don't want it. You can change it around, do what you want. So what are we going to call this section? Can make that most popular if we wanted to. Unless I've got something I can think of. Have we got anything on? Look at Trump. People don't realise that Trump's very popular, even if you like him or not. You didn't put him on my website if he wasn't popular. So change the category. Where is he? Where are you, Trump? Am I blind or something? Am I blind? I go green screen. News, New South Wales, online. Oh, far out. There he is. Okay, so you got now President Trump stories there. 1, 2, 3. So that's inline 3 different different categories in line there. I think I made it easier for myself, you know, having just two, it just was out of whack. So your sidebar ad can go there, and you just can click on sidebar, or you can, you know, like in that section thing, where the ads are, you can just change it there, what ad you want. Popular, you just have all categories. Use popular jetpack to make the populars. Probably I would have 4 myself. 3's not many. So here we are, we're getting close to the end of this. Oh, offset post. Limit post number 4. And it's popular. Let's see. It says save things, playing games again. All categories. Optimize preloading if you want. And next, no pagination. So all these are all your header. See header main menu. Oh, that save thing is a pain. So and what am I'm on 5G. Yeah. No, I'm on 2G. Yes, that is. The save is spinning around again. So I think we've done everything that you need to see. there's a lot of little gadgets you can play with, but I would play with those after you're finished building a blog, something you go back to in a few weeks' time and play with all these fonts. But gee, I really don't recommend doing it at the start. Modular row, what's that do? Let's see what it does. Okay, see how modular row goes in that you can have two. Looks ugly. Go back to one. Okay, four's come up, which didn't, so that means it might be okay. Let's close it. Only way to stop that spinning thing is to close it and see what you got left. See what needs to be done and go back to it. So climate come up, good. So they're right. So they've all come up, good. Popular come up. All these are right. Latest articles, 12. And there's an AdSense ad. The footer I haven't touched. It's just the one I've got already set up and it works with this theme, so probably not going to go to touch that at the moment. I just need to put something in there, but that's not a big deal. Put an ad in there or anything. So the theme is finished. Yeah, your categories, doing your category section. Go down to menus and just add your more and more there. Just go into here, main menu, and you can remove or add categories there. Folks, just leave questions on the bottom. You've probably got tons, and I'll try to help you. That's the finished thing. You know, one thing you can't do on a website is photograph a whole website. Try doing it. We'll give you an experiment. Not an easy thing to do. That's it. We finished the gossip page. I'm happy with it. I won't be changing that. No way. Bye now.